Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you on one-on-one on how to buy CopyScape. CopyScape is a plagiarism checker, and we'll go this is a plagiarism checker. So we'll say purchase premium credits. I would like to buy $105 CopyScape premium credits. Each cost 0.3 up to 200 words plus 0.1 for extra 100 words. For the purchases made with PayPal, a minimum of $10 is expected. You may use the credits anytime in the next 12 months. So we'll buy premiums worth $45. We'll say continue. We are saying that by purchasing a valid period is 12 months. By purchasing this product, you understand that you agree to the that you use CopyScape Premium governed by the terms. These are the terms governing the premium subscription. So we'll say we are buying by PayPal. So CopyScape is a plagiarism checker. Plagiarism is anytime you use other people's work without referencing them. So we'll be able to say try another way. So we'll say login with create an account. So our PayPal this time is different. Our PayPal is different. We'll say I agree to the PayPal users community. So we'll say so PayPal is very secure, so it sends me a code to confirm that if I'm really the person, if I'm the one. So I've received the code is 393,464. So once I say that, I know it will be able to buy. We are in PayPal, and we can see that using the PayPal balance, we should be able to get $45. We say complete purchase, and thank you for using PayPal. Our payment is ready. We can see it's ready and it has ticked. Once we see it has ticked, we'll be able to continue. We can see the payment has been made. They will send to us. They're telling us return to the merchant. So the payment has been made, has been completed, and I'm sure now we are able to use our premium credits of $45. Our limit is about 1900 words, and I think we are good to go. Thank you for sticking with me. This is lifestyle tutorials, process of buying CopyScape, a plagiarism checker. Thank you.